How to add captions to YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to add captions to your YouTube videos. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So to be able to add captions to your YouTube videos is really quite simple. So I'm going to show you how to do this on your mobile device, but of course you can also do this on desktop. So go over to YouTube and log into your profile, and then head over to YouTube Studio. So once you've opened up your YouTube Studio, then click on the videos button on the left, which is the second option down. And once this is loaded, find the video that you'd like to add captions to. So I'm just going to just zoom out a bit. Click on the first video at the top. And then after you've clicked on the video, on this next screen, on the left hand side, the second option up from the bottom after the C is the option for subtitles. So if you click on that option, now subtitles is just another name for captions. So in here it's asking me to set the language that I'd like my video subtitles or captions to be. So I'm just going to click on the drop down box. Just zoom in a little bit to make it easier. And here it's brought up a list of all the languages that I can choose to use for subtitles. So I'm just going to tap on English. And then also, as you can see there, it says make this default for my channel. So you can either check that box or uncheck it. And then after that, tap on confirm. So once you've selected the language that you'd like to use as your subtitles, head back over to the video details. And then on the right hand side where it says subtitles, if you click on this option here, so you can actually go in and then you can, as you can see, it's already got the text there for the subtitles. So you can go in and make any edits that you'd like if it's made any mistakes. You have the option to edit the timings if you'd like. You can download the subtitles, so if you want to edit them in a Word document. So just go through, make any changes that you need to, edit the subtitles. And then once you've done that, tap on done. And then at the top of the page, hit save, and it's then going to publish the subtitles to this video. And that's all it takes to add captions to your YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.